mga kalot, we're here again to our another vlog. Isa na namang walang kwenta pero puno ng sense na video ang matutunghayan nyo today, and we're going to talk about copyright claims. So, especially do sa mga nagko-covers ng song. Para sa mga katulad kong baguhan, alam ko maraming tayong questions about what are we going to do kung may mga copyright claims tayo. Ano ba yung tinatawag na copyright claims? And what are the two kinds of copyright claims? So, that is the first thing you need to know. We have two types of copyright claims. The audio claims and the composition claims. So, within this vlog, matututunan nyo kung ano ba yung dalawang klase ng copyright claims at ano yung mga pwede nating gawin para maalis yung copyright claims. So, let's watch this video. So, all we have to do is go to Google Chrome. Then, i-search nyo doon yung YouTube Studio Desktop site or desktop, lalabas na yun dyan. Make sure you sign into your Google account or the account that you used on your YouTube. Then, may lalabas dyan na YouTube Studio and sign in. So, click sign in. It will bring you sa inyong YouTube Studio. Yan, pag nakita nyo tong logo yun, ayan na yung YouTube Studio nyo. Pagdating nyo sa studio, ito yung makikita nyo. Since nasa monetization section siya, i-click lang natin yung content. Click nyo lang yung content logo. Then makikita nyo dyan lahat ng in-upload nyo. Yung uploads, then yung live, and yung mga post nyo sa community. So makikita nyo din yung visibility kung public ba to or private, gano'n. So if you're monetized, makikita mo din yung dito. And this is where you see the restrictions. So, sa under ng restrictions, doon nakasulat kung may copyright claims ka. Kung wala, none. And kung may copyright claims, yan, tulad nito. Yan, makikita mo, may copyright claims ako. Natin kung ano ba yung copyright claims na yon. So, click lang natin yung copyright claims, then click the see details. Then, may magpa-pop out na dialog box dyan. Yan, copyright summary and status box. Kita mo kung ano ba yung impact ng channel mo, yung visibility niya na andito din, and also yung monetization niya. Gaya din dito kung ano yung part ng video and what is the video na may copyright claim. So here, ang claim type niya is composition claim. At ang impact on the video is sharing revenue. Pag nakita niyo yung composition claim, yan, huwag kayong masyadong mag-alala. So, hindi yan strike as claims na kailangan mo pang mag-appeal. So, here, kaya nakalagay is sharing revenue. Kung ano man kikitain ng video, ay kahati mo yung gumawa o nag-compose ng song. So, here, this is identified as a cover song. Pag audio claim naman, yun ang makikita mo doon sa claim type pag kinlik mo yung note doon. So here, I don't have the example. But once ma-encounter nyo, nakalagay doon is uneligible for monetization. And you need to dispute it if you think you have the right to. Dito sa action section. Dito sa dulo, kalapit ng impact on the video, makikita nyo may iba-ibang klase ng paraan na maaari nyo gawin para maalis yung claims na yon. Pero kung gusto nyo naman i-share doon sa composer, okay lang din. So, here are the 4 ways. Trim out segment, replace song, mute song, at sa tingin nyo kung may rights kayo, so you can dispute it. Now, on replacing song, it means papalitan mo yung song na may claim. So, click the replace song. Then, ito yung lalabas. At makikita mo kung saang part ng song ba yung may claim. Once we click the replace song, hintayin lang natin na mag-pop up yung replace songs. At may inakalaan ng YouTube ng mga songs na pwede mong piliin para maipalit doon sa part na may claim. These are the songs na pwede mong pagpilian. These are free music from YouTube itself. Sa baba, may makikita kayong kulay orange. Yan yung part na may claim. Yan yung papalitan natin. You can use different songs here. Ayan, may nakalagay na add. And you can add it there. And meron ding remove. So, pwede nyong pakinggan yun. Makikita nyo yun sa side. It can be played. May iba-iba din siyang length o haba. Para malaman natin kung ano ba yung sasakto. So, tulad nito, yung una ko nilagay is kapos pa. So, iniremove ko siya. Then, hahanap lang ulit ako ng songs at pakikinggan ko yung magsasakto. Nakalagay naman dyan kung ilang seconds or minutes. Since yung claim nung music ko ay parang mga 5 minutes siya, so hahanap ako ng medyo malapit. So dito tayo sa new lines na title. So add. So makikita nyo may check na naging gray na. Ibig sabihin ng check, okay na siya. Saktong-sakto siya at maaalis yung claim. So, yung kanina, iniremove ko na. Then, to finish this up, i-save lang natin. Click lang natin yung save. So, medyo matagal to guys. So, again, may magpa-pop up na naman dyan na dialog box. Ito, yung ready to replay sound. This process might take a while. Written din na pwede nyo munang i-close yung ano niya, i-X nyo muna, then balikan nyo na lang mga ilang hours or maybe the next day, then makikita nyo kung naandun pa yung claims niya. Naalis nyo na yung claim, makikita nyo ang nakalagay is none. At hindi mo magagalaw yung select action hanggat hindi pa siya tapos mag-process. It may take a while guys, so kaya tiyaga lang. Pag na-X nyo na yung dialog box na yun, babalik tayo ulit dun sa content page natin, then makikita natin ang nakalagay is checking one found. So ayun na, nagpa-process na siya. So hintayin lang natin. Pag wala na, none na yung makikita natin. And I still have one more copyright claim. So let us see the details of that claim. So here, this is the same as the other one. It's also a composition claim which is sharing revenue. Ayan, makikita nyo. Composition claim yung claim type niya. Then yung impact on the video is sharing revenue. And again, ipapop up niya kung ilang minutes. So dito medyo maliit. And nakikita nyo din yung copyright owners dun sa baba. And again, let's select an action. What are we going to do? So again, pwede nyo i-play yung video. So may preview yan for you to know kung ano ba yung song na yon para maging mas malinaw sa inyo. Then we select an action again. Ituturo ko naman sa inyo is how to trim out segment. So click lang natin yung trim out segment. Halagay kung ano yung i-remove mong part sa copyrighted content na nakiklaim sa inyo. So double check your video. So i-play mo lang ulit, pakinggan. So, yung may mga check dito, yan, makikita nyo, yan yung minutes na may copyrighted. So, nakalagay dyan, cancel or continue. So, example, let's stream out. So, i-click lang natin yung continue. You can unselect din kung ano dun yung ayaw mong i-trim. So, same goes pag mag-mute ka ng song. So, meron tayong two types of muting the song. Mute all sound when song plays or mute song only. Let us say, gusto ko lang is mute song only. So, i-click ko lang yung circle doon. Yan. Then, I'll click continue. Then, may magpa-pop up ulit at papaalalahan ka kung ano yung pinindot mo that it may take a while as well. So, maghihintay ulit tayo. Pag nakita nyo na yung processing video, ayan. So, pwede nyo nang i-X yung dialog box na to para bumalik na kayo doon. So, nakalagay na naman dyan is checking one found. So, balikan nyo na lang. So, yan. Sana natutunan nyo yung tatlong klase. Yung dispute, maybe I can make another video for that. Mga questions kayo, comment down below na lang po and I'll read it. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something today. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. So, para mas marami din tayong matulungang iba about copyright claims. And also, if you want to be a member of my channel, all you have to do is click the join button. And if you want to know more about it, so ilalagay ko yung link ng isang vlog ko about channel membership and its perks. So, thank you so much. Once again, M. Sculat. See you. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.